going to find the values of what? Z in this one. Okay. So first of all, we make Z the subject. So Z is equal to 6I raised to the power 1 over 5. Okay. So for this one, what is the general formula? The general formula is this one is equal to magnitude of Z. Then raised to the power of n. Then we have cos n theta I sine n theta. Okay. Here, what is your theta from this one? We know that this Z is equal to the capital one, which is this one, plus 2 pi k. Okay, so we know that this one is the same as what? Theta. So it means here we can write theta. So it's just like theta is equal to this. So we know that theta is equal to the whole of this one. So theta is equal to this Z 2k. Okay. So here, what is a argument of this one, which is equal to tan inverse of what? Y over what? X. So from the question, what is our y? What is our x? So the y is the imaginary side, which is this one. So it's going to be what? Tan inverse of what? 6 on what? 0. What is this one? Tan inverse of 6 on 0 equal to tan inverse of infinity, because this side, this one will give us infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is the same as pi on 2. Okay, so we know our angle. So from this side, we know that this side is what? Pi on 2. So we have tan is equal to pi on 2 into pi k. Okay, so we go back to the question and we substitute the angle, which is the theta, into the question. So we have Z equal to the argument of what? The magnitude of what? This raised to the power of n. Then we have cos pi on 2 pi k times what? N. Then I sine pi on 2 pi k times n. Okay. Then what is our n from the question? This n. What is this n? Is equal to what? From the question, 1 over 5. What is our magnitude of z? Magnitude of z. The magnitude of z is equal to 6 squared plus 0 squared, which is the same as 6. Okay. So here, we know the magnitude, we know the n, so we substitute into the equation. So we get z equal to 6 raised to the power 5 cos pi on 2 pi k. Then what is our n? N is 1 over 5 I sine pi on 2 pi k. N is this. Okay, so this one, we are starting from, if you want the values of what? The z, then we are starting from when k is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, up to what? 4. So starting from z1, starting from this formula, when k is equal to 0, that is z1. So we will go to the question, this one. Then where we see k, we put 0 inside. So we get e raised to the power 5 cos this. So we know that our k is what? 0 times what? 1 over 5. Then sine I sine pi on 2. 2 pi k is 0. So we have our n to be 1 over 5. That is the first part. The second part is when k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. We have z equal to what? That is z2. 6, 5, cos pi on 2, 2, 1, 1 over 5. I sine 2 on pi on 2, sorry. 2 pi, that is k1, times the n, which is 1 on 5. Okay. Then you go to the second one, the third one, z3, which is equal to 6, 5, cos pi on 2, 2 pi 2. Then times 1 over 5 plus I sine pi on 2, 2 pi 2, 1 on 5. That is the when z is equal to 2. This one is when k is equal to 2. That is this side. Then when k is equal to 3, then we have what? Z4. Z4. When k is equal to 3, then we have Z4, which is equal to 6 raised to the power this. Then 3. Okay, plus I sine on 2. 2 pi k is 3. Then times what? This. Okay, that is the last one. The last one is when k is equal to 4. When k is equal to 4, then we have z5, which is equal to 6 raised to the power 1 over 5 cos pi on 2, 2 pi k is 4, so 4 times 1 on 5 I sine pi on 2, 2 pi k is 4, 1 on 5. Okay, so this is what we get. So when you use the calculator to enter, this is the final answer you get. So these are the values for Z. Thank you very much. Bye bye.